Hey, what's up? This is a new review for an RC car I got from Hobbytron. That's the body right there. It comes off. It's got these little metal things that go in here. It's got lights on the wheels. Power switch is down here. Off, on. It's got one of these controllers. On, off. And that comes out. So now I know lots of people don't like Hobbytron, but I go there and it's just fine when I go there. So I'd go shopping there if I were you. So it's a pretty good car. It's pretty fast too. Looks cool too. So $30 or $40.